Hey folks, it's David from Rotor Geeks. The other day I posted a picture of the new internals of the DJI antennas, and I guess it left a few more questions, so I figured I'd just make a quick video showing you what's going on. The original antenna is a left-hand circular polarized. This is a design that's probably a little more familiar to most of us, and it's pretty simple, just a straight-up connection into the left hand. The new antenna, however, is a dual band so that it can work with the new FPV drone. And in here, we're looking actually at a linear antenna, which is both 2.4 and 5.8. Again, the same kind of base construction with the RPSMA connector. And it is possible to tell these apart even if you've mixed them up on your goggles. The way that you can do that is if you take a look at the top of the case, the linear antenna, the new dual band, has these 3 nubs on it across. There's 1, 2, and the third one. And if you take a look at the original single band left-hand antenna, it's only got 2 nubs there. So 3 for the new dual band and 2 for the old one. And of course, being a linear antenna, when you use this with the older equipment, you will be getting a 3 dB loss because you're typically using circular antennas on the machines, and then receiving with this, if you've got V2 goggles, you're going to be receiving with a dual band linear. So I think in most cases, a dual band antenna usually represents a bit of a compromise compared to single band. And then going linear versus circular is another 3 dB loss. So if you've got V2 goggles and you're running air units and vistas with circular antennas, you're probably better off using the original version of antennas, which you can still buy, or some aftermarket circular antenna. If you're using the new drone actually is outfitted with linear antennas. So in that case, you will both want a linear and you'll want the dual band 2.4, 5.8 antenna.